In this video, we will see how to reset our password. Being the admin of the website, we can easily change the password. So now I'll enter wrong password to my profile and let's see what happens. So now I've entered username and password. Now I'll click on login. Here you can see an error is mentioned that the password you entered is wrong. Now I'll click on lost your password. Here you can see a notification is visible that after entering the username or email here and clicking get new password, you will receive a link to create a new password on your email ID. So through that you can add a new password to your profile. So now we will see how to add a new password to your profile by entering the website, that is by logging to the website. For that you need to log into your website now. So now click on login. Now we will enter our login credential with the new password. So as you can see here, we have added the new password to our profile. Now we will click on login. Now you can see we have entered our website. Now we will go to our profile, go to users, click on your profile. Here you can see our profile is visible. These options we have visited before. Just go to the bottom and here you can see a new password option is given. Click on generate password. You can consider this password also, or you can add a new password. So let's add a new password. So as you can see, we have added a new password which is strong enough to use. After doing the changes, just click on update profile. So in this video, we saw how to reset our password. Thank you for watching.